The Express Van backup camera is specifically designed to seamlessly fit Chevy Express Vans from 2003 to 2017, allowing for easy installation without any modifications. Crafted from high-quality polycarbonate material, this camera offers exceptional durability and impact resistance, ensuring reliable performance over time. With an IP68 rating, the camera is equipped to withstand harsh weather conditions, featuring anti-fog and shockproof capabilities for consistent operation in rain and wind. Its ultra-wide-angle lens provides a 170-degree field of view, delivering a clear and comprehensive perspective that enhances driving safety. The camera's fine craftsmanship and lightweight design reflect a commitment to quality and ease of use, making it a practical addition to your vehicle. Manufactured by Fydun, the backup camera is built with strict quality control standards, ensuring dependable performance and customer satisfaction.